Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. This February, take advantage of incredible savings at Conicelli Honda Service Center. We've got the deals you need to keep your Honda performing at its best. First up, get our oil change and tire rotation service for just $74.95. Regular oil changes help your engine last longer, and tire rotation ensures even wear for a smoother ride. Need new tires? We got you covered. Buy 4 and get $50 off, or save $10 per tire if you're buying fewer. Stay safe with fresh, quality tires that can handle whatever February roads throw your way. Keep your wheels perfectly aligned with our 4-wheel alignment special, now with $10 off. Proper alignment means a smoother ride, improved fuel efficiency, and of course, longer-lasting tires. You want to save even more? Our Spend and Save program gives you up to $150 off the same-day service. It's the perfect time to take care of multiple maintenance needs and enjoy big savings. These February specials won't last long. Call us at 888-289-5948 or simply visit us at conicelliservice.com to schedule your appointment today. We're here to keep your Honda running like new. Conicelli Honda Service Center, a nice place to do business.